Hi, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be unboxing the Matepad 10.4 that I bought from Lazada for 1,319 ringgit. During the 88 Lazada bonus, you can get it even cheaper at below 1,300 ringgit. You can check out the seller from my description below, as I highly recommend this seller for being responsive, professional, and most important to Malaysian. It's one of the lowest prices being offered out there. Inside the packaging, with good layers of bubble wrap, there's a Huawei gift box and a Huawei smart keyboard that comes along with the Matepad 10.4. In the Huawei gift box, there's a silver metal phone stand, a black Bluetooth speaker, and a white retractable USB carry case. Underneath this layer, there is also a black Type-C USB charging cable for the Bluetooth speaker. Now, I will head over to unbox the Huawei Smart Keyboard. The overall touch to the cover of this smart keyboard does feel premium. Flipping over the cover, there is a slim box with a warranty card and a safety booklet in it. Finally, this is the main highlight of today's video. Prior to this tablet, the biggest tablet I have owned is an 8-inch Amazon Fire HD8, so this 10.4-inch tablet does feel a bit heavier, and with the aluminium body, the overall touch and feel are very nice. Moreover, with the quad speakers powered by Harman Kardon, I hope the experience will be even greater. I will be doing a sound test in my next in-depth review, so stay tuned. Coming along with the Matepad is the Huawei charger adapter, a warranty card, a quick start guide, a charging cable, and a USB-C to 3.5mm headphone jack adapter. It is time to turn on the Matepad and have a quick look at it. Okay, I kinda like the EMUI animation. Let me know what do you guys think. Without wasting your time, I will quickly set this up. If you are new to Huawei, I think this simple and quick tutorial of gestures are very helpful to get you started. The Matepad 10.4 color is vibrant and sharp. Even though it is not an AMOLED screen, the transition and scrolling around are also smooth. Now, let's have a quick look at the overview of pre-installed apps. As you may already know, the GMS is not available in this Matepad 10.4, but there is a workaround for that, and yes, I'll be sharing this in my next video. Despite narrow gaps between each key, I'm surprised with the typing experience. To me, it doesn't require a lot of force to press the keys, and I can feel the clickiness satisfaction. If you have any questions, please state them in the comment section below, and I will try to cover that in my next video. As always, thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one for a more in-depth review on the Matepad 10.4.